Hi PIHU.
Hi.
So what is this beta?
This is clock.
Clock. So what you are learning today?
Time.
Time. Okay, let's begin.
Yes.
Okay. So what time is this?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay. Do it. Arrange the clock hands. Adjust it. Can you please explain me beta?
Yes. Mom should be on 9. Vacation PM 12.
Excellent. Now next, what is this?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay. Adjust the clock hands. The small hand should be on 3.
And big hand should be on 12.
Very good. Now next,
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Okay, then
My hand should be on 6.
Oh, 5 o'clock. See properly.
5 o'clock.
Now next, what time is it?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Okay. So adjust the clock hands. Okay, very good. Okay. Now we'll do.
This
Okay, do it. 1:30.
1:30.
Can you adjust the clock hands? Okay. Can you explain me better?
Okay.
1:30 I said, not 3:30.
You go.
Okay. Can you explain me?
Big hand should be on 6. And small hand should be on funny.
1. Okay. Now next.
7.
7:30.
7:30. Hey. See that?
Okay. Now next. 6:30.
6:30.
Yeah. Both hands should be on.
6.
Okay. Okay. Can you do 10:30? This we'll do later. 10:30 you do it?
10:30.
Okay. Now 4:30.
4:30.
Okay. Now 12:30. Okay. Very good. Now noon.
Noon.
Noon means.
Both hands should be on.
Yeah. So what's the time it is?
Noon.
What time is it?
12.
12 o'clock. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.